this is one of the more unusual questions that I've seen them ask about the Bohr shift in recent years. So firstly, they asked you to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line onto the graph to show the percentage hemoglobin saturation at rest when the partial pressure of oxygen at the muscle is 40 millimeters of mercury. So they've said at rest. So what they're testing here is, do you know which line represents at rest? So 40 millimeters of mercury is there. So I draw the vertical line up to the solid line because that's at rest. The shift to the right happens during exercise. Although they have told you that there, so that shouldn't be too difficult. And then you draw the horizontal line like so. So that's saying that the hemoglobin saturation at that point is about 75%. And then it says use the graph to calculate the percentage of oxygen released from hemoglobin at rest when the partial pressure of oxygen was 40 millimeters of mercury. So here it's telling me that that hemoglobin molecule is 75% saturated with oxygen, which means that it still has 3 out of the 4 oxygens bound to it, and it's dissociated with 1 of the 4. So because 75% of it is saturated, filled with oxygen, it just means that 25% has been released, and it's asking what has been released. So 75% is still bound, and therefore only 25% has been released or dissociated from hemoglobin.